In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Monday.com platform to duplicate a board effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Monday.com homepage. You might already be familiar with the layout here, but for those who are new, Monday.com is a work operating system that powers teams to run projects and workflows with confidence. It's essentially the virtual workspace where teams can collaborate, track, and manage tasks efficiently. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to click on your main board. This is typically the central hub for your current projects or ongoing tasks. When you first set up your team's workflow, the main board usually encompasses the core objectives and tasks that need consistent monitoring. By clicking on this board, you're able to view all of your team's tasks in one place, making it easy to track progress and updates. While you're viewing your main board, pay special attention to the drop-down menu. This is a key feature that will help you access additional options, one of which is the ability to duplicate the board. This drop-down menu is designed to streamline your experience by minimizing clutter and showcasing only the most relevant options. So, if you're looking to replicate the workflow from your main board, keep an eye out for the duplicate board option in this menu. Now, with the drop-down menu open, go ahead and click on Duplicate Board. This feature is particularly useful when you need to reapply existing setups to new projects or when replicating work streams for recurring tasks. By duplicating a board, you ensure consistency and save time in setting up new tasks or workflows since the structure is already in place. After you've clicked on the duplicate option, you will be directed to the new duplicated board. It's important to note that the name or title may vary depending on the existing settings of your main board. You can easily rename it to fit the specific needs of your current project or team guidelines. This flexibility is one of the many reasons why Monday.com is favored by teams looking for robust project management tools that offer both structure and customization. And there you have it, you're all set up with your duplicated board. Remember, the purpose of duplicating your board is to maintain the efficiency and design that you found successful, ensuring that it can be applied across other tasks or projects without having to reconstruct from scratch. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly expand your workflows and scale your productivity with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made using Monday.com a bit easier for you. If you have any questions or need more tips on Monday.com, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy project managing!